Very good afternoon. Okay, first of all, wish you a happy Children's Day. Okay, very nice. Today you are very happy, right? We have two programs initiated. One is the Children's Day and one more is We Talk. Yes? Okay. So, first of all, I'm very happy. Our respected Gurucharan sir and Rajesh sir and also as well as Shailaja madam, English department of TGMS Anajpuram. English department initiated the program We Talk. Okay, so you know what is the main purpose of this? Thoughts are in Telugu, voice in English. Okay, so you have many thoughts. Those are in our mother tongue. What is our mother language? Telugu. Okay, but we want to speak out. We have to express in English. So the main agenda of this program to develop your language skills, especially which language? English, as well as to develop your language skills and to enhance your language skills, especially communication skills also. Is it? So many members have some thoughts, but you are some fear to express their thoughts. But it is a good program to develop all your skills, language skills as well as communication skills. I hope utilize this program well. Okay, very much useful. So you students definitely utilize this opportunity and practice regularly. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you one and all.